In the early 20th century, amidst the upheavals of World War I, Viktor Frankl emerged as a beacon of resilience and intellectual curiosity. Born in 1905 in Vienna, Austria, he weathered childhood poverty caused by the war, going from farm to farm with his siblings to beg for food. Astonishingly precocious, Frankl expressed his desire to become a doctor at the tender age of 3. By high school, he was already delving into psychology and philosophy, delivering a speech of the meaning of life at 18. His intellectual prowess caught the attention of none other than Sigmund Freud, who published Frankl's work when he was just 16. As his academic journey unfolded, Frankl navigated the evolving landscapes of Freudian and Adlerian psychology, eventually giving birth to his own groundbreaking theory, logotherapy. This spirited journey laid the foundation for a life that would impact the realms of psychiatry and existential philosophy profoundly. However, Frankl's insatiable curiosity led him to transcend the confines of existing psychological paradigms. In the early 1930s, he initiated groundbreaking suicide prevention efforts in Vienna, demonstrating a commitment to practical application of his evolving theories. Frankl's divergence from Freudian and Adlerian schools marked the inception of logotherapy, his own revolutionary approach to psychology. As tensions escalated in pre-war Europe, he navigated the complexities of treating patients at Steinhoff Psychiatric Hospital and later established a private practice. The Nazi invasion disrupted his therapeutic pursuits, yet he persisted in aiding patients and notably his Jewish brethren at Rothschild Hospital. These tumultuous experiences became the crucible for Frankl's resilience and informed the core tenets of logotherapy, grounded in the belief that life's essence lies in the quest for meaning. Logotherapy emerged as a beacon of hope amidst adversity. This period of Frankl's early career not only laid the foundation for his enduring legacy, but also illuminated the profound interplay between personal trials and professional innovation. Amidst the harrowing backdrop of World War II, Viktor Frankl faced a series of profound challenges and agonizing choices that would shape the course of his life. As the Nazi regime tightened its grip on Austria, Frankl, a Jewish psychiatrist of increasing renown, grappled with the ethical dilemma of providing care within the confines of a system that sought to dehumanize and persecute his people. His commitment to healing transcended the boundaries of conventional practice, leading him to head the neurology department at Rothschild Hospital, the sole institution still admitting Jews in Vienna. Faced with the opportunity to escape the impending horrors, Frankl's moral compass oscillated as he held a visa that could have secured his freedom. However, the profound inscription of the Ten Commandments, particularly "Honor thy mother and father," discovered in fragments of a destroyed synagogue, swayed his decision to remain with his imperiled family. Subsequently, the Frankl family found themselves confined to the Terezin ghetto and various concentration camps, enduring unimaginable losses. Viktor Frankl's own survival became a testament to the power of choice within chaotic circumstances, exemplifying the resilience of the human spirit in the face of unspeakable adversity. These wartime tribulations would later shape the existential philosophy of logotherapy, emphasizing the significance of personal responsibility and the search for meaning even in the darkest chapters of human history. In the brutal crucible of concentration camps during World War II, Viktor Frankl confronted the abyss of human suffering. stripped of dignity and subjected to unspeakable horrors. Life within the confines of Theresienstadt, Auschwitz, Kaufering, and Turkheim was a relentless struggle for survival. Frankl, alongside countless others, endured squalid conditions, starvation, and the constant specter of death. The camps became arenas of profound loss, as Frankl tragically witnessed the demise of his father, brother, mother, and wife. Yet, in the midst of unimaginable despair, Frankl found a reservoir of inner strength. Focused on preserving the dignity of his fellow prisoners, he organized a suicide prevention group and provided psychological support. The existential vacuum created by the dehumanizing conditions reinforced Frankl's belief in the enduring human capacity to find meaning, even in the face of extreme adversity. These haunting experiences within the camps would later inspire his seminal work, Man's Search for Meaning. Man's Search for Meaning, a profound exploration of human resilience amid Holocaust atrocities, emerged from the pen of Viktor Frankl, initially published anonymously in 1946 as A Psychologist Experiences the Concentration Camp. Frankl's seminal work details his experiences in Theresienstadt, Auschwitz, and other camps. The anonymity reflected his desire for honest expression. Surprisingly, the work's popularity soared after Frankl claimed authorship. Published in English in 1959, it became an international bestseller, cementing Frankl's legacy as a beacon of hope and a pioneer in existential psychology, emphasizing the human capacity to find purpose and meaning, even in the darkest corners of existence. Following the horrors of the Holocaust, Viktor Frankl's indomitable spirit fueled a prolific post-war academic career. Despite personal losses, he earned a PhD in philosophy in 1948 and became a professor of psychology and neurology at the University of Vienna. Frankl's teaching transcended borders, with visiting professorships at prestigious institutions like Harvard and Stanford. His profound insights into finding meaning in suffering inspired countless individuals and reshaped the landscape of psychotherapy. In the later years of his remarkable life, Viktor Frankl continued to impart profound reflections, shaped by his Holocaust survival and pioneering work in psychology. A revered professor at the University of Vienna until 1990, he toured the world, sharing his insights on the human condition. Frankl cautioned against the superficial pursuit of happiness, emphasizing the intertwining of freedom and responsibility. Frankl's influence resonates through his concept that even in the face of immense suffering, individuals possess the power to choose their attitude. He advocated for love as the ultimate human goal and found value in the suffering he endured during the concentration camps, fostering gratitude for the freedom he experienced post-1946. The legacy of Viktor Frankl lives on, not only through his prolific writings, including 39 books, but also in the enduring impact of logotherapy institutes globally. In his life's journey, from Holocaust survivor to esteemed psychiatrist, Frankl exemplified the triumph of the human spirit, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to illuminate the path toward meaning and purpose in the face of adversity.